Guys, this is David here, and this is from Double D23 Tech, and this is a tutorial how to download Pokemon Go on your Android phone. So first things first, go to your settings, go to security, then you go down and you switch this thing on. You'll see this, you just push OK. So you can download APK from the mirror. The mirror download APK. So when you download it, you'll see this one. That's the downloaded Pokemon Go, which is down in the description. So I'm gonna click it. So it's already installed, just push install. So it's just installing. So with the application installed, you just open it, you wait for the game to run. So when you finish installing it, this is what it comes out with. So always remember, have a really good 4G or 3G signal, and always open your GPS. As you can see, mine isn't open yet. So thanks guys, and if you like this video, please see you next time. And remember, gotta catch them all.